Okay, everybody, this is me starting out my vlog. Please, I am begging you, watch this because it's fun. This is just gonna be about me talking about how I'm a little farm boy. So I am just going to go and look at some of the animals I live with. Oh, there's a bunny right there. Turn the camera. There it is. Wild bunnies. Yep. I love them. Okay, now we're going to see the pigs. They're in here. Super stinky. Cameraman.
I'm a woman.
Fine, camera woman. Seriously? What's up with that? It's cameraman, not camera woman. Never hear somebody walking around saying, hey, camera. Okay, never mind that. Okay, the pigs are in this high tunnel right here. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It does stink in here. Okay, you're gonna have to get in, so you're gonna hate it because it's gonna stink.
You know.
Come on!
Hop in, camera woman.
Seriously, come on!
Yes, get in.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna have to hold the camera. Okay,
I'll meet you
this is me. I'm just looking at some of the view. How do they stink? I'm just looking at some of the animals here in the farm, and here's some piggies. I call them the Naked Five. And let me find the babies. There might be some babies here. I have no idea. Okay, we're looking. We haven't found any yet. See, there's our disgusted cameraman. Say hi.
It's disgusting in there.
No, it's not. I'm used to this. This is my favorite female pig in this whole place. Rosita. Say hi, Rosita. Yes, they said hi to you. Okay, now, here are some of the fat male pigs. I hate them all because they're stupid. And, yeah, that's, there really weren't any babies. So, camera woman, hold the phone now. Let me just get out of here.
Warning, there was horse flies in there.
Oh my gosh. Hold it tight.
Yeah, this is right where the horse flies go right here.
Wait. Okay.
Until Sunday.
Epic fail. No, that was not an epic fail. That was an epic, awesome achievement.
Sure.
Okay, come on. We're gonna look at some of the chickens that we're gonna eat.
What's up?
Some chickens that we're gonna eat. Let's see if we can find
That was his annoying brother.
Are there any
That is not true. He's more annoying than I am.
Okay, here are all the chickens we're gonna eat. They're getting really big and plump, so can't front me because I'm the star of this show, not the chickens. Even though all of them are
Let's
kinda
go look
pretty
for eggs.
Stop, stay out of my freaking video. Let's go. Okay, these are the laying hens. These are the hens that we get eggs from. So we're gonna come in here and try to see if we can find an eggs. Okay? Here. Somewhere, I just don't know where. These ones right here. These are the baby form. These are the baby form of some more meat chickens. So this way. Tell me if you see any eggs when I lift this thing up, because this is where they love laying eggs. Any eggs?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, you see the eggs? Hold them
five.
up. Hold them up while I grab them.
How many eggs are there?
Five.
Oh, there's a rooster right there.
Oh, where? Right over
Rooster.
there behind that black thing. Okay, we better get out of here because he's mean. Very mean. Okay, let's go see the
Warning,
little
he will
peepers.
attack.
You want to go see the tiny
After I
ones? Bring these to the head former. We were going to go and see some of the super tiny chicks. Okay, hello, head farmer. Where do we put these? Okay.
Slash his mom.
March.
Oh, awesome.
That was really big. March.
I pity you.
What's so funny? Cameraman. Let's see the baby peeps.
I think somebody would have had
Hello,
$1,000
Dad.
sitting
Hello,
in your
Father.
hand, I would actually do that.
Keep up.
This is hilarious.
It's not hilarious. I'm going to be the best YouTuber for all time. As long as all of them.
I know you're. I know.
this.
I know you're not supposed to edit your vlogs, but can you?
No, why would I do that? I want them to see how awesome I really am.
This life is not awesome. You're
It
living.
is awesome. It sounds great.
We're cousins too. This is my life too.
There's our duck. Ricky. Hey, Rick.
There's Rick,
And
and I don't get paid to do this.
of course you don't. You're the cameraman. Nobody likes to camera woman.
Yeah, just because I'm your cousin. Wow.
Here they are. Here are the little chickens.
Here. Okay, here, I'm gonna grab one.
Camera me. Camera me.
No, I'm camera.
Camera me.
There's some dead ones.
No, stop it. That's sad. Please do not do anything about that. But
There's an odd one.
that's a turkey, actually.
That's a turkey.
That's a chicken. That's a turkey. Okay, now let's get out of here because this is actually more stinky than the kind of the pigs. Here, I
No,
can
it's
hold
not.
Come on, let's go. Stop it. Put it down. Come on,
Look,
guys.
I can hold one.
Put it down. No. Keep him out of here. He's not supposed to be here.
Yes, I
Ryder, stop.
He's a better vlogger than you.
No, he's not. He sucks at everything. Especially vlogging, okay? I'm awesome at everything. Ah, something just went in my foot. Okay. So, we have now reached the end of my very first vlog. Please, can you subscribe? At least leave a like. I don't know. Comment below, please. I love the world. Peace out.
Bye.